welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today, if you listened a little closely, you could hear me crack the voice. Crack my voice. Alright, so, we are getting into another house. Serge Lutens. And in particular, we have dans le Bleu Qui Petille. Pétille? Pétille? Ignore the fake accent, okay? I'm trying to get involved. 1 second. Alright, so, probably should put the mic on, right? Is the mic connected? It is connected. We're putting it together here. Let me just get this on my body. Alright. Am I HD? Let's not waste any more time. Ugh. Unsheathe this thing. It's so cute. Okay. There it is. There it was. There it went. You know the special ability of a Tesla is things don't get caught in the seats? Oh, back from the dead. He thought this video was over, but it's not. All right. I'm a little extra today. All right, let's go ahead and get this over here. Right up in there. Good grief. What the heck? All right. Okay, so it wasn't me. The atomizer didn't actuate properly. But more than enough came out. These things are strong, so I'm not gonna waste too much time here. So, whoa, this is weird. Wow, it's like an ambery marine fragrance. It's wild. Look at this guy. So, you have, oh, there it is. Amber in the top. Marine, fume, boys, balsamic. This is also in another language. This is interesting. Definitely never smelled anything like this. You have incense, boys, algae, and coriander. Whoa. This is different. I don't necessarily know that I like it. Wow. It's a marine amber fragrance. Like, my mind is blown. It's definitely giving you it. You know, there was a sweet aspect to it when I first smelled the fragrance, and it's kind of gone now. It definitely still has the amber aspect of it kicking out. Let me see if we can find this in another language. Sheesh. This is different, guys. This is different. I mean, to me, it's just an amber fragrance. Like it's still an amber fragrance. That's such a dominant. I believe amber's an accord. It's hard to get away from that. And I'm not getting I am getting like a slight aquatic, like chlorine smell. This is a weird one. Because they don't necessarily work together. Like, it's not necessarily something that dances in the moonlight. So this came out in 2022. I don't know. This one might have to sit for a little bit, guys. It might need time to do what it's trying to do. It definitely has like an aqua appeal with a amber twist, but the amber and aqua, they don't necessarily like blend smoothly. It's not what I'm experiencing. I think the aqua is like the algae or algae. I usually don't read comments, but let's see what people are saying. Oh, it's in a different language. Won't be doing that. As far as who this is for, women, women, male, I would say this is definitely unisex. I'm starting to like it a little bit more as the aquatic notes are starting to become a little bit more forward. I'm not a huge amber guy. It's too sweet for me. It's interesting. This is probably one of the most interesting fragrances I've smelled all year. I don't know, guys. This one's interesting. I know this video isn't like super informative. This is different. It does feel like it needs time, but I mean, I would say it's an amber fragrance, true and true. It's you know, that part's not changing, but it does have a slight twist. I do wish that twist was more of a turn. Like, I think that would be more. I feel like they had an idea, but they didn't commit to it. This comes from 0 years of perfumery creation. So what does my opinion mean, right? But there's something about it. Like, there's a whiff of the scent that you get that is like, that I like. But it doesn't do it enough of that for me. Like, I wish it was more of a stronger commitment to that. Because of that, it is more of an ambery fragrance with a twist, and I don't particularly care for ambery fragrances. I think if you love ambery fragrances and you want to wear it in the summer and you've been looking for a reason to do that, this might be your entry into that that field. Because there's like an aquatic freshness. It's not a traditional blue fragrance, but there's an aquatic freshness to it, man. This is interesting. This is one of the most interesting fragrances I've smelled all year. And when I say interesting, I mean different. I don't necessarily mean like, oh, they did this, they did that. I just mean this one's different. This one's different. I respect it. I respect it. Anyway, that's the first impression. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Have you tried this? Dans le Bleu Qui Petille. I don't know. I think it's interesting. I don't know if I would spend anything over $100 on something like this. That's just my initial impression, but it could change up over time. If it does, you know, I'll come back and update you. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe on your way out. I know one thing, YouTube's making some excellent recommendations for you. I also have an Accord that you can join in on. So check out the Accord newsletters every month. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.